Today's recipe is all about fish, and to all fish lovers, this is Smita. Welcome you all to Cooking Story. So let's start this yummy and delicious fish curry. For this, the ingredients are coriander leaves, bay leaves, cinnamon stick, green cardamom, Kashmiri red chili powder, turmeric powder, salt as per taste, sugar, potato, onion slices, onion paste, ginger garlic paste, green chilies, for the roasted masala, coriander seeds, cumin seeds, and our lovely fishes. Here I have taken katla. You can take any other fish of your choice. The process will be the same. For all measurements, check the description box below. Now let's get started with the recipe. Before that, take a pan and we will make our roasted masala for the curry. For this, 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 cardamom and 1 cinnamon stick. Roast it for some time and make a fine paste with the help of a grinder. Now let us marinate the fishes. For this, take half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Then mix it well with your hands and marinate for around 10-15 minutes. Fishes are my weakness. I cannot think a single day without eating a fish. And all bongs out there, I hope you will also agree with me. Now let us fry these yummy fishes. For this, take 2 to 3 tablespoons of mustard oil. Once it heats up, insert the fishes in the pan and fry the both sides. Hey, be careful with the hot oil, it splatters a lot. Now let us fry these fishes in a medium-high flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Then we will flip the other side. It's time to flip the other side. Oh, it's done perfectly. Do give some time and then flip, or else the fishes will stick at the bottom and it will be messy. Let's remove the fried fish and then we will put potatoes in the same oil and fry in the same manner like the fish. If you don't like to add potatoes in this curry, just ignore it. But I love potatoes so very much, I cannot resist without it. You need to fry these potatoes for around 2 to 3 minutes with a little turmeric and salt, and then remove it from the pan once it is golden brown. The potatoes are good to remove. After removing it, we will add the onion slices in the same oil and fry till golden brown. Just throw in the onion slices in this hot oil and stir it continuously. This fried onion will give a good texture to our gravy. So fry it around 3 to 4 minutes till it golden brown. Onions are frying and you listen this beautiful music in my video. Now the onions are good to remove it from the pan. Though it is a step-by-step process, but believe me, the end result is just awesome. Next, add 1 medium-sized onion paste, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 2 bay leaves, slightly mix it well. After that, let us add the taster. 1 tablespoon of salt or as per your taste, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. This is for only color. Now mix well so the masalas come together. After that we will add one by one everything which we have done previously. First add water as your requirement. Over here I have added 1 cup of water. Then we will throw in the fried potatoes. After adding the fried potatoes, we will add 1 teaspoon of roasted masalas which we have done in the beginning of the recipe. Now cover and cook for 5 to 8 minutes in a low flame until the potatoes are soft. Once the time is up, remove the lid and check the potatoes. Oh, it's good. Now let us add our fried fishes. Arrange the fishes in the gravy properly so that it doesn't break. Now we will add 3 to 4 green chilies. It depends upon your choice. You can add more or less. Now it's time to add our fried onions too. After adding it, slowly mix it well with the entire gravy. And then sprinkle some coriander leaves from above. After that we will sprinkle some more roasted masalas from above and then cover and cook for 5 to 6 minutes in a low flame before serving it. Our masala fish curry is ready for our afternoon lunch. So let us dig in with some hot rice. Oh, it's yummy! Tasty! I'm just loving it! I hope you will definitely try this recipe and do share your experience in my comment section below. And don't forget to share cooking story with your friends and family. And those who are new, do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get notification whenever I upload a new recipe. Stay safe and healthy. Till then, bye bye.